Hi everybody, thank you for joining me. My name is Crystal Montague. I'm the virtual elementary teacher for Monroe Virtual Elementary Academy. So I just wanted to say welcome to 2020-2021 school year. I'm here at Riverside right now in my classroom. This is where my classroom is housed. We'll talk about that a little bit more later. But I just wanted to say hi, say welcome, how excited I am to have so many new students here. I cannot tell you how awesome this is. We're going to make this a best school year yet. I wanted to give you guys just a little tour of what the classroom looks like, what the school looks like if you've never been here before. So we're going to head on in and I'm going to put on my mask. That's the main entrance down here and the main office that you would need to check into if you ever needed to come to Riverside for anything. They do have GSRP and other preschool programs here at Riverside. So it's one big hallway. We've got the Monroe Virtual High School and Middle School room in room 5 here. And then if you continue down the hallway, we're actually the next one down, Monroe Virtual Elementary. So we do have a physical classroom. Looks a little different now than normal because we are under construction. They are going to be using this for a learning lab, which is really awesome use of space. I do have some things that I'm taking home to do some work from home as well. But I just wanted to give you guys a little introduction as we do have an actual physical space if and when we get to phase 5. We can talk about that more later, but I just wanted you to see what the classroom looks like. All right, and again, welcome to Monroe Virtual. I know this is a different start than many of us are used to. Some of us have never even started school before. We have some kindergartners with us, so welcome to school for your first time. Some students I've had last year, so welcome back. It does look a little different than last year as well. However, I just want you guys to know that we're going to get through this together. It is going to be different. We are all going to do our best. We need to work together and just do what's best for kids. I promise to you, if I do not have the answer to your question, I will work my hardest to get you an answer as quick as I possibly can. And speaking of that, I know you have a lot of questions as to what this is going to look like, how your student is going to do your work, and I'm going to do the best to answer those questions today through the open house. The biggest thing I can ask you to do is join the Seesaw app because that's going to allow me to communicate with you, and that's going to be crucial. There will be other teachers that are going to support us, and we are just waiting to welcome them on as well. Typically, I have a caseload of about 25 to 30 students, and obviously that's jumped up quite a bit this year, which we are so happy for, but we need more teachers, we need more help. So we're still waiting on that. So you may have another teacher that is along with me, but I will be here with you guys to support you, to help you. If I don't have the answers to the questions that you need, I will do my best to find out. So let's get started.